Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to place orders using various candlestick patterns formed near our support or resistance levels, and how to set auto target and auto SL using our scalping software. So first select the index Bank Nifty and load the option chain. Enable SL target, auto SL, auto target. Here 2 means 1:2 risk reward ratio, and select the number of lots 100 and click buy. Okay, order is placed. The stop loss is placed at 394, which is the low of the previous candle, and target is at 405. Okay, this is how auto SL and auto target works. If you see the option chain chart, here you can see the stop loss is at 394, which is the low of the previous candle, and if you click the previous H or L, the stop loss will be moved to the low of the previous candle manually. Okay, if you enable index SL and index target, the same stop loss criteria is applied to our index chart. Okay, that means 47444 means the stop loss is placed at the low of this hammer candle, and target is the 2 times the length of this candle. Okay, 47553. Okay, here is our target. This is how auto SL and auto target works. Okay, next let us see how to execute our strategy. So first enable the strategy from views, and here first option is support hammer. Okay, if the hammer is formed at our support level, here by default the low of the current day is considered as support level, and you can edit this deload, remove this deload, and enter your own support level 47446. Here is our support level, and this 50 means around 50 points to our support line. If the hammer pattern is formed, we will place order. Okay, the order is placed, and next one is support engulfing pattern. This will place order if the engulfing pattern is formed near our support level. Okay, you can enter any value 40 or 50 depending upon your analysis. Okay, I have entered 40 here, adding buy. So if the engulfing pattern is formed, it will place order here. Next one is inside candle pattern. Okay, our strategy is added. Next I'm gonna add the strategy for PE side. Here resistance. Okay, you should click the resistance, engulf your resistance hammer, and here you should remove the D high value to our resistance level. 47516 is our resistance level. If you have not entered the points, it will take the value automatically from our index LTP. Okay, we have added our PE. Okay, we have added our PE strategies. Let's see how this strategy works. Okay, our strategies order is executed, but it doesn't seems like engulfing our hammer pattern. Let's reload the chart. Okay, yes, it's a bearish engulfing pattern, and at the same time it also an inside candle pattern. Okay, it's because sometimes the data in our chart will not be shown correctly. So if you reload, it will take the fresh data from the server and update. Okay, so our order is placed because it was engulfing pattern, and one order for 1500 is the engulfing pattern order, and another one for inside candle pattern, and the current candle broken below the level of our previous candle. So the order has been placed, and you can see the profit now. If you want to check all those any of these patterns formed, you just click resistance all and edit these levels. Okay, so that it will check any of the patterns formed, and if any of the pattern is formed near 50 points near to our support or resistance level, this will place order. Okay, you can see the 1500 is added. Okay, this is how the strategy works. Okay, our order is position is exited. Okay, I hope you understand how to place orders using the candlestick patterns, and how to place auto SL and auto target, all these things. Okay, as of now, the software is available only for brokers like Finvasi and Sarada only. And if you want the software, please check out my website mdotkcodez.com. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join my Telegram group to get more information about this software. Thank you for watching.